my God, I'm already hurting. Oh, yeah! Oh, not the upside down part.
It's hard just to breathe, like I'm drowning in rain.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fun Spot Kissimmee. There they go. So, you're bored on a Sunday, there's nothing to do. Why not come to Fun Spot? It's cheap and it's fun. Let's enjoy this tour of all of their roller coasters, and I might even throw in a surprise ride. Let's go. You know very well we have to start with Mind Blower. There is no better option. Okay, alrighty. Whoa, Nelly. Welcome back to the Mind Blower. As you can tell by the rockets. Man, it's been a while since I've done this bad boy. What's up, Kissimmee Fun Spot? I want to give a shout out to the people at Fun Spot. You guys are awesome. Your Instagram person is hilarious. Oh boy. Why do I forget that this is the Torture Fair? Oh my God, I'm already hurting. Oh, yeah! Oh, not the upside down part. I'm not ready. Oh! Okay. Oh, yo, you're trying to yank me off this thing? Hey, chill! Chill, dude! Chill! Hey, bro! Hey, I'll give you $2, man. Take it easy. Take it easy. Holy mother of thunder! 14 damn children and counting! Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Oh, there's more. Of course there's more. Why wouldn't there be more? It's a goddamn marathon! Oh. Get me off right now. Get me off right now. All right. So the Mind Blower still keeps its reputation as the back aligner or the free chiropractor. It's rough, but it is a thrill. So it's in my opinion, this is one of their best roller coasters, even though I pay the price every time. All right, let's get some go-kart action in. Let's get on Vortex. Oh shit, here we go. Oh, no bumping, but I'm already bumping. Straight bumping. Oh, okay. Go-kart, baby. Not a roller coaster, but just as thrilling. Hey, yo. It's like a big circle. Oh, yo, the car's gonna pass me? Why is this car faster? I'm stepping on the full gas. Oh, bumped the shit out of me, I guess. Yo, this is good. Yuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. That was insane. Oh, hit the brakes in the stitch. Oh, is it over? Is it over? Thank God. Vortex, it's a little fast. Going downhill, I feel like the brakes are not gonna work, but they always work. But you know, I'm too much of a big bag for a golden cart because when we're going down, I feel like, is this thing actually gonna stop or is my weight gonna overpower the brakes? Anyways, let's get back to coasters. So right now I'm heading towards the hidden roller coaster. I didn't even know they had this roller coaster. I found out because a friend of mine, Coaster Tunes, went on it. So I had to go, this is the first time I come back here. So here by the Vortex, there's a sign here that says more rides this way. I've never seen this because I never come this way. I usually hit the Mind Blower and I hit Galaxy Spin and I'm gone. But apparently Fun Spot has a whole collection of rides back here that get completely, I'm crossing the street. Be sure to look both ways. I'm crossing the street. So they have a whole collection of rides that get ignored because you kind of have to leave the park, head into Old Town, and then you can finally go see the other rides. So this particular roller coaster is called the Hurricane. I've never done it. This is going to be a first for me and for you. And since I missed it last time, I'm kind of making it a priority this time. So here's the other section of Fun Spot that you don't even know exists unless somebody tells you or you just stumble into it. And I completely missed this section. All right, and we've officially made it to the Hurricane. This is gonna be a first experience for me, a first experience for you, so pray for me. I'm not gonna lie, this looks a little sus. Alrighty, welcome to the Hurricane. Whoa, oh, wow, I'm being roughed up and we haven't even made it to the top yet. Good times. Yeah, no, I don't have much to say about this ride other than it makes me nervous. First time, definitely a first time. It's not so high, but but I do know it's a little speedy from what I've seen. It's in the back of Fun Spot Kissimmee. Oh, that looks steep as hell. That looks steep. Yo! Oh my God! Steep and it breaks your back. Oh, whoa, what kind of turn is that? Am I transforming into a transformer? Oh, yo, that was a little bar. Oh, okay. Oh, this is not. Oh my God, no. No! Oh! Oh! Catch McGee over here. Oh, not the bunny hops. No! There go my thighs. There go my thighs. Oh, those are thighs, baby. Oh, no! Oh! Oh! Oh, my God, those beans are low. Oh! Better not put my hands up. Oh, we're done. We're done. On a scale of 1 through 10, 11, I throw on my back. It's fast. It's a lot faster than it looks, and that first fall, the first drop, was a lot steeper than I was expecting. So I was completely caught off guard. Who wants to get on the hot seat? I'll give you one guess. Angel does. So your boy thought it'd be a good idea to ride a swing ride in Fun Spot Kissimmee. Okay. Doesn't seem so bad. It's a little aggressive though when it comes to speed. Like, your boy can never mind. I cannot handle this. Oh, this thing is giving me a freaking headache. Oh, well, you know what? On second thought, can we just, oh my God, that's worse. But still, oh no, you know what? You know what? To get me off, I changed my mind. This one, holy mackerel, holy mackerel. Oh my God, yo, this is sketch. This is sketch. No, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Houdini, where are you? Make me vanish from this ride. Oh. Okay, I think we've done enough rotation. I think we're good, right? We're good. Oh, it's slowing down. Thank God. Thank molasses. Thank sugar bread. Oh, those people are nuts. Not doing that again. Woo, till next time, guys. You know, it doesn't look, love bug. You know, it doesn't look like much, but when you're on it, it feels like much. So keep that in mind. Of course, someone is going up on the SkyCoaster. That's always fun. It's a thing to do here. If you like swinging 300 feet with nothing but, you know, 2 steel wires, it's an option. Somehow you guys got me lit. Let's give the SkyCoaster another try. We are way up there now. Oh my God, we are way up there now. Jesus. Oh my Lord, and it keeps going up. Why do you keep going up? Well, people, oh! 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 Holy shit! Balls! Oh! Oh! Oh my God, that has got to be the worst thing I've ever done in my life! Oh! Hi! Don't do it! Don't do it! Save yourself! Oh my God! Oh! Adi, help! Ooh, water! Oh, my neck feels stiffer! Oh, good grief. Okay, okay. Oh my God. Yeah, no, it's as terrifying as I remember. And the worst part is you have to release yourself. I wish they had a mechanism to release you, because you gotta muster up all that courage to release yourself, and that sucks. Hey, yo, there is a whole alligator inside of this water. I guess it wouldn't be Florida without a swamp puppy, right? Now I'm heading towards Galaxy Spin. So this is interesting. Galaxy Spin is the only ride with a long wait here. All the other coasters are good to go. Interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Galaxy Spin. It's a Mouser coaster. It'll realign your back, it'll twist and turn, and you're gonna feel the pain all the way home. Let's get on. All right, we are at Galaxy Spin. Oh my God. Okay, that was a little on the rough side. We are at Galaxy Spin in Fun Spot Kissimmee. There's a badass little barbecue joint over there. Sorry, not barbecue. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Pulled my dignity on that one. Oh, that is a lot of clank. What is this? Ratchet and clank? Ooh, Galaxy Spin. Oh, hell no on that ride. Don't request that shit. Okay. It's a kid coaster. We got this in the bag. Might even put my hands up. Whee! Oh, the SkyCoaster. That's next. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Shaking, not stirred. My God, I'm being roughed up more than a high school bully. Okay, you know what? This is not a thrill ride. What it is a shake the stuffings out of you ride. Oh my God. I'm good. Ooh, stop. Okay. Stiff neck and oh, Jesus. Oh, Jordan, why'd you make me ride this? Oh. Yo, those turns are deadly. Oh, and backwards. Whoa! This is nuts. Okay, this is not a kid coaster. Do not put your kids on this. Oh, unless you hate them. Oh yeah. Oh my God, this ride should come with like 2 waivers. Okay, is it over? Are we done? No, of course not. There's like a little hoppy hop thing here. Oh, oops. Okay. Yeah, no, that was something. I'm not sure what it was. Hi, my hair's a mess. All right. And there you have it, my full day at Fun Spot Kissimmee. We got on all the major roller coasters. We did a bonus go-kart track, and of course the hot seat. Don't recommend. I mean, if you like swing rides, I don't. With that said, let's head out and see you guys on the next drop.